Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? CH plus hop plus stick plus zzz. Hop, stick, zzz. Chopsticks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our show. Not only could you win a brand new car, but two players could win a brand new car. That's right. In response to many requests we've had to add a little extra spice for our contestants, we are going to be playing from now on 2 bonus rounds in each half-hour program. And our contestants, we have 2 newcomers with us today, our contestants are going to be with us until they lose 2 games or until somebody wins a car. That person then says goodbye. So let's meet the players now. We'll say hello to the lovely lady on my right. Her name is Christy Anderson. Hiya, Christy. And good luck to you in this new format.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Christy Anderson, and I'm originally from Monroe, Connecticut, and I've lived out here for about a year.
Married or single?
Single, right now.
We'll get a chance to talk about that in a little while. First, let me introduce your opponent.
Okay.
His name is Terry Hart. Hiya, Terry.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Mobile, Alabama. I lived in Southern California now for about 11 and a half years, Los Angeles area.
Are you married?
I am single.
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 Hey, how about that? All right, well, let's go to work. We'll show you something great for your home. The prizes in game number 1.
This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system, and in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls, and a solid-state meal timer clock furnished by Whirlpool.
Thank you, Gene. And Terry and Christy, here's where you'll find those appliances. The Bachelorette's Kitchen, dead center at number 13. We also have a holiday in Bermuda in this game as one of our very special prizes. And Terry, you get to select first. And remember, whoever wins this game gets a chance to play for a brand new car. Go to work.
Okay, my mother's lucky number 7.
His and her athletic wear.
Mine at number 10.
Electric guitar, no match. Christy?
Okay, my lucky number 11, please.
Number 11.
Ooh,
Bermuda.
Ooh, let's try number 24, please.
Is it there? No, we have a diamond and gold brooch.
Well,
Terry?
I'd certainly like Bermuda, so I'm going to look for a wild card or the match under number 15.
Green take.
Okay, let's look under number 21.
Slide projector, no match. Christy, back to you.
Let's see what's under number 4, please. Ooh,
Bermuda.
And my lucky number 11.
Bermuda, there we go. It's up there very quickly.
Yay.
Down here, we're going to open these 2 panels for you.
That's great.
Select again, Christy.
Okay, number 20, please. Ooh,
Wild card, anywhere you want to go.
I'll take number 13 because we're moving into a new apartment.
Bachelorette's Kitchen, that's a good
Great.
prize. The other Bachelorette's Kitchen would have been discovered at number 23. 3 more panels opening up for you, Christy. Take a look. Christy, pick again.
Okay, let's see what we can find under number 2, please.
Another wild card.
I'll open the puzzle up at number 17, please.
Silver buffet
That's
service.
nice.
Now, you mentioned something about setting up housekeeping. The other silver buffet service is in the upper right-hand corner at number 5, and that means that 3 more doors are opening for you, Christy. Take a look. Pick again.
How about number 6, please?
Red take.
And how about number 22, please?
Car stereo system. No match there. So, Terry, you get to play again.
Well, I'm going to look for
that
it.
good news?
Yeah, I can need it. She's cleaning up on me. Let's look and see what's behind number 25.
Slide projector.
Didn't we see that under number 22?
No, that's the car stereo system. Christy, back to you.
Boy, was that under number 16?
Wild card. You found the ball, Christy.
I know, that's great. Let me open up the puzzle at, let's see, number 9, please.
Number 9, diamond
Ooh,
and
that's
gold
nice.
brooch. Something pretty for yourself. The other diamond and gold brooch from the bottom at number 24. And once again, 3 panels opening up for you, Christy. Select
Boy.
again.
Let's see what's under number 10, please.
Electric guitar.
Oh, did we see that? Number 15?
Is it there? Nope.
No.
Green tape.
Okay.
Terry.
Okay, let's look and see what's behind number 8.
Designer table lamps.
Okay, I don't think we've seen what's behind number 6.
Red tape. Gosh, you're having trouble making matches,
yes,
Terry.
I need a tape.
Everything
I
good
need a
that has
tape.
happened so far in this game has happened to Christy.
Yes, it
She's got
has.
4 prizes up there, and she gets to pick again right now.
How about number 1, please?
Car stereo system.
And that under number 22, please.
22 for the car stereo system. Right again. She doesn't need the wild card. She makes natural matches. But can she solve this puzzle? Select.
Not just yet. How about number 8, please?
Designer table lamps.
Was that under number 7? Or?
No, his and her
okay.
athletic wear. Terry,
Okay, let's see what's behind number 14
his and her athletic wear.
and number 7.
All right, Terry gets a
Got a
match.
And I think,
And a chance to solve the puzzle at a crucial moment here. Let's see if there's enough showing.
there's safety in numbers.
By golly, you may have stolen the game. Is it?
God.
There's safety in numbers. Yeah. Oh, Terry, giant killer. Come on down, Terry. Get to explain the puzzle for us.
Okay, it's the TH plus the hairs and the safe and the T with the golf ball and the hen in the hen house and the numbers. There's safety in numbers.
Well done. Congratulations to you. Things were looking pretty grim for a while, but you got control of the board at exactly the right moment. And in our new format, you are going to be the first player to play for a brand new car. Christy, we're going to bid you a short farewell right now. We'll
Okay.
take you out backstage, and we'll see you in game 2 in just a little bit.
Good luck, Terry.
She's wishing you good luck, but before you go to the winner's circle, here's what you won in this game. You got some athletic wear.
Great.
His and her athletic wear. Sergio Tacchini's European designed his and her outfits. A choice of activewear, tennis wear, and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors. Furnished by Sergio Tacchini.
Just the beginning for you, Terry. Maybe a brand new car in the offing when we come back, following this break. All right, Terry, you all set to do this?
I'm ready.
Try to win one of these brand new cars. Since you're the first champion in the winner's circle, we're going to put the clock back to basic time of 35 seconds, and it'll be your own special clock. Every time you come into the winner's circle, if you haven't won a car, we add 5 seconds to it.
Great.
Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No match.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
Nope.
9, 1,
Yes.
10, 11,
No.
3, 11,
Right.
12, 13,
No.
14, 5,
No.
15, 5,
Right.
4, 10,
Nope.
7, 13.
Nope. Didn't work out for you. You made a couple of matches, but it was your first time here, and you're expected to be a little more
Yeah.
nervous. But that's all right. If you get back to the winner's circle, you'll be playing with 40 seconds on the clock. And you're going to get to play for some more prizes in game number 2 when we come back following these messages. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Game 2 about to get underway. Christy, as I said at the beginning of the program, we don't say goodbye to a player until that individual has lost 2 games. Right now, you have lost 1 game. That's the X there, so you've got to win this one. But if you win it, you go right into the winner's circle to play for a brand new car. And in this game, you and Terry have a chance to win, among other things, this beautiful prize.
Venrus ladies and gents gold tone watches, basket weave bracelet, diamond dial, precision quartz movement, never needs winding, furnished by Venrus. Alex.
And where will we find those watches on our game board? Right here behind number 15. $500 in our cash pot in this game, Christy. Also a Mexican cruise. Now, you were kind of alluding in game number 1 that there might be a marriage in your near future. Who is your beau, or is there such a guy?
Yeah, his name's Michael J. Fox. He's not the Michael J. Fox.
Oh, he is Michael J. Fox?
No, he's my Michael J. Fox.
He's your Michael J. Fox.
Yeah.
Are you guys thinking of getting married?
I don't know, we talk about it.
Wouldn't this Mexican cruise be great as a honeymoon?
That'd be wonderful.
All right, you get to select first. There's only one wild card in this game. Good luck.
Okay, let's see. How about my lucky number 11?
Diamond cufflinks.
Ooh, wouldn't he like that? Number 19, please.
No, green take. Terry? What do you?
Okay, I sure would love to have that Mexican cruise. Let's look and see what's behind number 23.
Leather attaches for 2.
Okay, and let's try number 5.
Mexican cruise. No match for him. Perhaps Christy can do it.
Okay, how about number 2, please?
Stereo color
Ooh,
TV.
that would be really nice. How about a match under number 18, please?
No compact disc player. Back to Terry.
I know where one of the Mexican cruises is. Let's see if I can find the match. Number 21.
Mahogany wall clock.
Okay, and let's try number 10, please.
Wild card. There it is. The only one in this game. The other wall clock on the top line at number 4. Slide it into position behind Terry, and now show him these 3 pieces. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 6, please.
Green take.
Ooh, we can use that. Let's look under number 20, please.
Red take.
That's a little color off, but
Yeah, it's okay.
close.
Christy?
How about number 3, please?
Compact disc player.
And, oh boy, was that under number 23?
No, those are the leather attaches for 2. Terry may remember.
I think it was under number 18.
18 is the compact disc player.
And the match under number 3.
That is right. And another match for Terry. He's already had one chance to play for a car. Remember, if he gets back in the winner's circle, 40 seconds on the clock for him. Open these 2 panels. Go again.
Let's look under number 2, please.
Stereo color TV.
Did we see that on number 15?
No, his and her diamond
diamond
watches.
watches.
Christy?
Okay, let's see what's under number 8, please.
8's a good number. Cash
Cash
pot.
pot. How about number 19, please? Oh,
Green take. Terry.
Okay, did we see under number 2?
Stereo color TV.
Number 23, please.
No, those were the leather attaches, which you uncovered a little while ago.
What it takes, but
How
Christy?
about number 6?
Green
And
take.
number 19?
You got it. There's the take. He's got the wall clock, the CD player. The Mexican cruise is still up on the board somewhere.
I think I'll hold it. I think I'll hold it.
All righty, there it is.
Okay, let's see.
2 panels opening up for Christy. Christy, go again. You can't afford to lose this game.
I
You know
know. Oh, boy. How about number 14, please?
that. Leather attaches.
And number 23.
You're right.
Can I forget that?
You got the match this time. What do you say? Do you want to use the take?
I'll hold on to it for
take the
now.
clock.
All righty.
Just right now.
Open these panels. Select again.
Let's see what's under number 1, please.
Crystal chandelier.
Well, that sounds really nice. How about number 12, please?
His and her diamond watches. A possible match for Terry.
I think the diamond watches was under number 15.
Right.
And number 12 for
There
the
you
match.
go. Beautiful watches on Terry's side and 2 panels opening up for him. Pick again.
Okay, number 24, please.
Crystal chandelier.
I believe that was under number 8.
Oh, no.
No.
That's the cash pot. Christy, can you make a match?
Was the crystal chandelier under number 1?
I think so.
And number 24, please.
You're right. That's another prize for your side. The cruise still on the board. But you've got this take, and he has added a prize. He's got those diamond watches up there. For you and Michael J. Fox.
I know. Let's see. I'll take the watches.
The watches, she
Yeah.
says. All right. For Christy and her, Michael J. Fox, and perhaps you'll get to keep those prizes by solving this puzzle right now.
Up the down staircase?
Is it for a win in the game, a chance to play for the cars, and some good prizes too? Up the down staircase. Yes, it is for Christy Anderson. Staying alive here. Way to go. Come on over to the board now, Christy. Watch your step. Explain the puzzle.
Okay, right here we have the arrow pointing up, and then and then the arrow pointing down. And we have the ST plus the hair plus the case. Up the down staircase.
Congratulations. You did that very nicely. This guy kind of looks like Michael J. Fox, no? Not quite.
No, not
Not quite. All right, Terry, it's your turn to go off stage for a few minutes. We'll get back to you a little later. Right now, though, we want to hear about all these prizes that this young lady has just won. Gene, tell her.
Leather attachés for 2 and a crystal chandelier. Schoenbeck Solitaire Crystal Chandelier, a bold, dramatic creation by Arnold Schoenbeck, featuring fine traditional styling and brilliant lead crystal, furnished by Schoenbeck. And, of course, the beautiful diamond watches. Prizes worth $2,487.
Great beginning for you, Christy. And after this commercial break, we're going to come back, and you'll have your own clock as you try to win one of these cars. See you in a bit. Christy Anderson is the lady in the winner's circle right now. She can't make up her mind which car she wants to win, so I'm going to run down the list for you. Right on the bottom shelf, we have the Volkswagen Jetta, followed by the Ford Probe, the Mitsubishi Mirage. Then we have the Chevrolet Camaro, the Honda Civic Wagon, the Daihatsu Charade, the Pontiac Le Mans, and the Hyundai Excel. And as I indicated a few minutes ago, Christy, you have your own clock, which means that it is starting at base time for you also. Here are the 15 numbered squares, the clock with 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No match.
7, 8.
No match again.
10, 11.
Nope.
Boy. 13, 5.
Yes.
Ooh, 14, 15.
No.
10, 12.
Nope.
14, 9,
Nope.
7, 15.
Yes.
6, 2.
No match.
Oh boy. 12, 3.
You discovered what Terry discovered a
I
few minutes
know.
ago, and that is that your first time in the winner's circle, it's very, very tough, particularly with 35 seconds. But if you win the next game on our next show, you'll wind up here again with 40 seconds on the clock. All right, you've won $2,487 to this point. You're going to play again. We'll come back to chat with our contestants following this break after we hear from Gene, of course.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix Stainless Steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
You know, Marjorie, with this new format, we cannot refer to either Christy or Terry as our champion right now because each one has lost a game, which means that the player who loses the next game says goodbye permanently, but you've each had an opportunity to be in the winner's circle. Christy, how did you feel up here trying for the card? Were you more nervous than you thought you would be?
Oh, yeah. It's not as easy as it seems. You're playing with cards we were talking about. And it was...
You practice at home with cards?
Good at
Yeah.
home with a deck of cards, but it's not like it is on TV.
I know. You guys are into games, I hope, and sports, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. I usually say at this time, have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday's program, but I can't say that because this, as you know, is Wimbledon tennis time, and NBC has exclusive coverage, and so we're not going to be around on Monday, but we will be back on Tuesday with Christy and Terry, and they'll be having their own sort of Wimbledon tete-a-tete here, mano-a-mano match, and whoever wins the next game will go into the winner's circle with 40 seconds on the clock. So practice with the cards or however you want to practice this weekend, but get set for Monday, and you'll come back and play for more prizes. All right, thank you all for tuning us in today. Do have a good weekend. Wimbledon coverage Monday morning, Classic Concentration on Tuesday. We'll see you all then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.